guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to style your knotless braid or your box braid. I know the hair is old already, but she wants to take it out, so I want to quickly show you guys how to do a bridal hairstyling using the knotless braid or a box braid. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So first things first, we're going to be taking out the side swoop. So that's why I'm taking out a little piece from the front. After that, I will be packing the back into a pony. That is the one I'm going to be using for my bun. So I'm going to be using a regular rubber band to pack the pony. What I'm doing is using the bobby pins to kind of pass through the rubber band. And I'm going to show you guys a closer look probably in my next tutorial. I don't know why I didn't even really show you guys that. So I'm going to be sticking the other end of the bobby pin into the hair and then wrapping the rubber band around, more like you're tying the hair. So when you're styling the bridal hair, you don't pack your hair like the regular way you pack your hair. Yeah, it has its own way of packing it to give it this firm look. Then next, I'm going to be taking out some braids to kind of hide the rubber bands. And yeah, next step, I'm going to be taking out a little portion that I'm going to use to design the bun later on in the video, so you just keep watching. And then we're going to take this bun we made in our last tutorial. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it so you will know how to make this bun. So I'm going to kind of be wrapping the remaining hair around the bun and rolling it upwards. After I'm done with that, I'm going to use my bobby pin to secure the hair, just like I'm doing. Just watch closely. I'm basically smoothing the hair. Since it's braids, you're going to need a lot of bobby pins. So I'm basically just smoothing the hair and securing the hair under the bun. Let me not distract you so you can watch what I'm doing. It's really easy, guys. A bun is really easy to do. Again, these are braids, so you just need to use your hand to arrange the braids and keep on securing the hair with your bobby pins. You need to use as many bobby pins as possible, so when your bride is dancing, the hair doesn't unravel. And then after that, I'll be using an invisible net to secure the bun again and keep the braids in place. So after that, I'm going to just use my hand to mold the bun and shape it perfectly. The next step, I'm going to be dividing the little hair we parted earlier, and I will be braiding it into two to use that and design the bun. So I'm basically just going to intertwine it and kind of use bobby pin to stick the hair on the bun, just like I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing. It's very easy. Note, bridal hairstyling is just freestyling. Honestly, you are going to get motivation as you style the hair. This style just came up when I wanted to film this video, and I just said to try it out. It's not like I've ever done something like this before. It just came up. So you just have to be creative when you're styling a hair. Except the client has a particular hairstyle she wants, you just gotta be creative, honestly. So for the side swoop, I'm going to basically just try to arrange the hair. This is braided hair. If it's a wig, it's going to be much easier for it to stand the way I wanted it to stand, but this is braids again, so it was kind of hard for me to get it to stand in front. So you're just going to see me struggle with it and end up sewing it, which was a bad idea. Actually, I would have just left it like that, but I tried to sew it to make it stand the way I wanted it to stand, but I didn't really like it. You might like it, but it didn't come out well for me. But anyways, I just left it like that. But if it was a wig, I would have used holding spray to kind of spray it, and then it's going to stand. But holding spray is not going to work on braids. So yeah, basically I'm just trying to arrange the front and give it the side swoop. So what are we doing with the left over side swoop? I'm just going to kind of twist it and then tuck it under the bun. You're just going to see me do that shortly. What I'm doing here is using bobby pins to keep the hair strands in place. They are braids, so if you don't pin them, they are going to keep falling off and falling on your bride's face. So I'm just using pins to keep them in place. When placing a hair accessory, you need lots of bobby pins to help you keep the hair accessory in place. Styling the bridal hair, you need a lot of bobby pins. So this is what the hair is looking like. Please ignore my videography skills. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment and share.